This is a BoxyCharm unboxing. And I got variation 16 and it is BoxyCharm Sunshine. Very cute card this month. And this is what I picked is this Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Ooh, watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. Ooh, that should be interesting. I will not open this yet, but I am so excited to use this because I have so many other serums and oils open up, but this is what the packaging looks like, and it's very beautiful. It's big size. This is 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce, and I like how it's like an ombre. And of course this is a squeezy tube. Just a second. Okay, I'm back. Okay, and where was I? So it's like a squeezy top, of course, as of all serums, in a glass bottle. And this retails for $49.95. So that is pretty pricey. I would not pay that much, but that is pretty nice to get in a $25 base box. If you're wondering what this was, it's a base box, and it's $25 plus tax. So mine runs about $37.30. Next is this hourglass that came with a box. This is called foil hourglass, and it is just an eyeshadow glitter. It says glitter eyeshadow, yeah. So this is the packaging, and I'm excited to finally get an hourglass product in my $25 base box. That is pretty exciting. I haven't really received anything hourglass in the base box, so that's pretty nice. I'll swatch it here. Ooh, that is like really creamy, very pigmented, beautiful. And this is the swatch. Oh wow, and it went like a really long ways for just one swatch. That is very nice and pigmented. That is exciting. And this was $29. So for this little eyeshadow, glitter eyeshadow, is $29, so $30 is pretty expensive. But Hourglass is pricey, and I'm excited to get like a high-end brand that I know that I really like. I really like their Caution mascara. So to have that is pretty amazing. And next up is this Ace Beauty $30 Bronzed in Paradise palette. I'm not gonna swatch it or anything or use it. This is from Ace Beauty, and it just looks like fall to me. And this is what she looks like. Too dark for me. And I've seen people try it on, and it's like very pigmented, but it's like for darker skin tones. So I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. So this is $30 for this, so that's pretty nice to have in my BoxyCharm. So this pays for my box. So it's $25. So the cheapest would have been the Hourglass. So this actually pays for my box. I'm going for the cheapest, but I know there's cheaper in my box, but that is like more reasonable pricing. Okay, next up is the Cream Shop. I've seen like this brand from the 99-cent only store, and I get like their sponges, and I really like their sponges. And I recently got like their silicone, which is nice. So to get a Cream Shop product is really nice. This is a clean canvas color correcting caution primer. Caution primer. And this retails for $20 and it's a pretty decent size. And this is in yellow. So with this, I might just put it like right here. Like where my pores are at. And a little bit like right on my forehead. But this is really nice. It opens up like this. It has a mirror, so it's very compact for when you're traveling. It comes with a little tool right here, like a little sponge, and then you open it up and the products inside. I'm not gonna open this just yet. I will open it when I use it, or like on camera when I'm first using it, but since I already have makeup on, I will not try that on or open it just yet. So that is pretty cute, and it has like a little thing to protect the plastics. So that is really cute. I like this packaging, and this retails again for $20, so that is good. I love blur purifying, anything for pores I really like, so I can't wait to try that. And the last one is a brush cleaner. I have been wanting this brush cleaner since I've seen people get it in their boxes. It's pretty big. This is from Lavish, and it's a quick color swatch dry makeup brush cleaner. So you do not wet your brush, which is nice. And it's like, I don't know what you would call this, but it's really nice. I'm really excited to try that. So I'm gonna prepare a eyeshadow look using the Hourglass. I will prepare it off camera and then come back and then show you this. And probably show you this. I don't know, but I'll be right back. Okay, I just did a little bit in my crease using my Violet Voss. Just using sand and dusty rose. So these two colors just on the crease area. So this is a dirty brush, and I cleaned my brushes last night. So I guess you just wipe it around. That's pretty good for 17. I don't know how you wash this. I think you just wash it with like liquid hand soap and be done with it. I'm not sure. But I'm excited to use this more and see more in future. In the future. Let's see how that goes. Okay, I'm gonna go pop this on. And I'm gonna keep this so it doesn't dry out. I think that would be good if you get this in your box. So I think what would be best is just to use your finger. And it's already primed. My eyes are already primed, so this will be good. Just for your fingers. And just swipe it all over the lid for a quick, natural neutral look with a little shimmer. This is really nice and very good quality. It is going on pretty nice and smoothly. Maybe use like glitter glue, which I don't really, have on my eyes right now, but this is really nice. And if you have like that wing, if you can do that wing look, that'd be really cute. Which for me, I don't wear lashes or wings, but that would be really cute with this eye look. This is very neutral. And I'll be off camera and doing the rest, like mascara and eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay. Applied mascara and eyeliner. So I think this is a really cute neutral eye look day. I have to have a pop of color. I don't know why. It's just I love color. So I had to just hurry up and pop a color on. Okay, to recap everything, this is $49.95 for the serum. And watermelon, green tea, and pineapple sounds so good. Not the green tea. I'm not a green tea or any kind of tea drinker. I like my sodas and water. Horrible, isn't it? Okay, Hourglass is $29. Pretty pricey, but I love the brand. Ace Beauty, $30 for a bronzer set. Hot palette. $20 for this Cream Shop color correcting cushion primer. And Lavish, $17 Lavish dry brush cleaner. Pretty good size. And it all retails for $145.95. So $145, that is like triple my amount, maybe more. So that is a pretty good deal for a $25 base box. I think that is a perfect deal. And that is 16 variation 16. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Sorry I can show you more, but maybe in the future I can try this out, just not right now. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye for now.